Hello, besties. Thank you guys for joining me in this challenge. I'm trying to go on a challenge here to see how many days or how many hours it will take me to vent a full list. Normally, I do this in a space of 3 to 4 days. Okay, 3 to 4 days. But due to for the fact that I have a newborn, I want to see how many days it take me to actually finish a full list like this. So guys, this is 3:56. Okay, that's basically, let me just say 4 p.m. today. And I am starting this journey, guys. Okay, around 4 today, 5th December. Okay. So the first thing I did was to set my sitting position. Due to the fact that it's already 4 p.m., I decided to stay outside to do this. So after setting my sitting position, my phone rang. And this is actually day two. This is me officially telling you guys I did not do anything. That's the first day. That was on 5th because I received a call to come and pick way bill that I've been expecting. And again, my baby woke up, so I have to breastfeed her for like some minutes before leaving to go pick the way bill. So after picking the way bill, coming back, it's already late and I was tired. I decided to shift the venting to the next day, which is 6th. So this is officially welcoming you guys to the first day of this challenge, 6th December 2024. So the first thing I did after setting my sitting position was to get my extension, pick out the one I'll be working with, and then I have to knot and keep the remaining one aside, which I'll be collecting more if I need. If I don't, then so be it. So I normally make use of cotton 6. I'll go ahead and cut the attachment into two, and each of the two I'll cut them into three, making it cotton 6. I have to knot and keep this one aside too while I work with this one. Then when I exhaust this one, I'll pick that one and then cut it into three, making it cotton 6. I usually work with cotton 6 and cotton 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. That's what I normally make use of. This video is just with sound, the original sound. I did not fast forward, I did not slow. So in case if you hear any sound, any good sound, anything, just pardon me. Okay, I decided to just let everything be raw without removing any sound. So the next thing is to first of all fix my lace on my mannequin head. Remember, we are not just doing this challenge. You guys have a lot to learn from this video because I'm basically going to show you guys all the sitting position I do, even while pregnant. If you are pregnant and you are a ventilator but you're finding it difficult to vent, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the sitting position I was making use of before I put to bed. So this by pin, it has six. I actually vented 2 days to my delivery. Imagine 2 days to my delivery. I ventilated. I worked on a lace, a full lace. So the pin, I have not make use of it after delivery. So this is just my first venting after I put to bed. So I have to sharpen them out with a scissors so that it will be very sharp. I don't like getting all those or like all those stumbles while I'm vetting. Sorry that I covered. I use this emoji. I have to cover my baby's food, please. Okay, that's the reason why my boo boo was kind of showing, so I have to use this emoji to cover it up. They said 1,000 miles starts with a step, right? So this is me starting the step. So this my thousands. Okay. This my journey of thousands miles. So I started exactly 11:36 a.m. 6th December 2024. That was when I started, and let's see, guys. Let's see how many days it will take me to finish this race. All right. So in the midst of doing this, that doesn't mean I was just sitting down from morning till night doing this venting. No, no. Of course, I have to take care of my baby. I have to eat, and I do have to eat. I have to do other things, do laundry. Like there are a lot of standing up, going out, and all that. Go outside to get one or two things, come back, and So that doesn't mean I'm just sitting down. If I'm sitting down from morning till night, how would I finish this place in 2 days? So yeah, a lot of standing up, doing other things in the midst, okay, in the midst of doing this. So this is how it's going, guys. This is actually my first position. The first position I'm showing you guys. Okay, this is my first position. You can see that I have a pillow behind me. Okay, but one problem I have with this position is sometimes your neck tends to pain you. So I don't use this position most often. I use it when I just want to stretch my leg. I don't use it often because of my neck. Okay, the pillow, the pillow is doing a very good work on my back, but my neck is still bent. My head, is still bent. So I don't use this position. But most people make use of this position, but I don't fast it most times. It doesn't mean I don't use it. I do sometimes, but that's not my best position. So this is position one. Okay. I received a comment somewhere someone was asking me to show them the best position I do make use of. Even on FB, someone came to my DM, so she was asking me if I was venting while pregnant. I said yes. She was asking me how did I do it. So I have to explain to her, but I'll still show you guys while we proceed with this challenge. Okay, so this is position two. Did you notice any difference? The first one, I was stretching my leg when I feel like just to stretch my leg, and this one I have to put one of my leg on top of the other. Okay, I think this emoji is not even doing justice to my body. Oh, okay, no problem. Let me adjust it first. So guys, like I was saying, this is the second position now. If you are observant, you should notice the difference between the first position and the other. Okay, before I forget, the pattern I was using is the vertical horizontal pattern of ventilation. If you don't understand what I mean, come on guys. I have so many videos on this. By now, if you be following me all this why, you should understand what I mean by vertical horizontal pattern. And I'm making use of one line one hole. Okay, one line one hole. My old family will exactly understand exactly what I'm trying to say here, or understand the pattern I'm talking about. Okay, so I am skipping a line, skipping a hole. I'm not showing you guys exactly, it's a challenge, not basically showing you guys how to vent. If you don't know how to vent, please check my video on that. If you don't understand what I mean by vertical horizontal, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I can refer you to that video. Okay, so guys, let's do this. Let's do this. You guys should ginger me. This is day one. I don't know how many days I'm going to do this. I just pray this doesn't exceed to a week. So basically, this is what I was able to achieve for the day one. Amidst doing other things, taking care of my baby. Normally, if it's just me, definitely this is not what I would do. It will exceed this place. I might even finish the backside. Okay, but nevertheless, let's see what lies ahead. So guys, I did not do any fast forward or whatever on this video. So do you think I was fast enough? Was my venting speed okay? Thank you guys for joining me on this day one of this challenge, and see you guys on day two. And please, if you are here to join me, click that subscribe button, turn notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. If you have any questions so far, drop them in the comment section. Bye, and see you guys in the second video.